Ladies and gentlemen, this song is written by my brother, Roland Casimiro.
Proud to be Hawaiian. We believe aloha is the way. Hold fast to traditions. We believe Hawaii is the